Welcome to Career Development in Technology. Today we are in day 2 and we are discussing about one of the big 3 languages in computer programming or web programming, and it is HTML5. Remember, in the last session I told you HTML and CSS is not complete programming language. HTML is language for the web browser. Okay, HTML creates web pages, websites, web application, software, and CSS, cascading style sheets. It beautifies the pages, the websites, the web application. Okay, and the third big 3 language is JavaScript, and JavaScript is everywhere, and the JavaScript make our website interactive, robust, more communicative, okay, more functional. And JavaScript is #1 programming language at this very moment. Python is in the second, while Java is in the third position. However, remember, whatever you want to learn, maybe you want to learn Python programming, or you are interested in Java programming, or you are a fan of Ruby programming language, or PHP, C++, whatever language you want to learn, my suggestion is to learn these big 3 firsts. First, learn HTML, learn how to create web pages, learn how to create web applications, softwares, then learn how to make them beautiful, how to make them attractive with CSS, then go for improvements, how you can make them interactive, how you can make it more functional. So you need to learn JavaScript. Then go to any other programming language. This is my suggestion. I will recommend spend 15 days at least. If you can spend 1 month on HTML, then take another month to revise HTML and learn CSS. Spend here 2 months, then learn JavaScript another 1 month and revise the both HTML and CSS. And finally, create some portfolio websites. Take another month. Spend 4 months in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and building your own websites, portfolios. Then after 4th month, I will suggest you go for searching entry-level positions, jobs. And you know, in technology, in entry-level positions, even you start with 65K to 100K per year. Once you start working in entry-level positions, I will suggest you to go for another programming language. And I will suggest you to go for Python or Java. Remember, you can never be master in any programming language. It is all about learning and improvements. If you want to work in technology, you have to keep learning and keep improving. All right. So, without further ado, just go to any of these videos, okay? Any of these videos, and you will find long narrative description what you have to do, how you have to do all this here, okay? Go through it. And if you really want to develop your career in technology or in information technology, I will suggest you to buy some books, at least web design with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Start with buying a book at least, okay? Uh, if you want to learn Python, I will suggest you buy a book on Python. I will recommend it here, okay? And try to understand what are these here, okay? Start with these three, then you don't need to spend a week here. Maybe 2 3 days, within 2 3 3 days you can learn bootstrap, okay? Then choose any of this. You don't need to learn each and everything. Just you can choose Python, or you can choose Ruby, you can choose MinStack or MERNStack or Java full stack, whatever. But my suggestion is start with front end web development or front end technologies. Find a new role, then pick anyone, keep learning and improving. Okay. Now, I didn't show you how to install uh, necessary softwares. Now, you can download and install Git here. Okay. Just watch a very short video, then download and install. How to download and install Visual Studio Code. We are using Visual Studio Code, and one of the best code editors, no doubt. And also side by side, I will start teaching Python programming. Side by side, you can start learning also how to program in Python. Okay. And this career development in IT classes are for those who cannot afford very expensive boot camps, like web development boot camps in North America, very expensive, 10,000 to 30,000 for full stack web development boot camp just for 3 to 4 months. Really expensive. So these classes are for them who cannot afford those expensive boot camps. Okay. Now, who can afford? Just click here, and I will recommend Coding Dojo, one of the biggest, largest online boot camps, online and offline, and one of the best coding schools in the United States of America. When you use this link, you get 500 discounts instantly. And I have a web store here on eBay. Those who can those who want to buy something, you can buy from here. And if you want to uh, contribute, even you can contribute here. Just click here. Okay. uh, those who want to. Okay, now you can read about what we are going to do here. Actually, we are going to teach you front-end technologies and back-end technologies from scratch, from A to Z. Okay, and if you follow this YouTube channel, I'm sure within 4 to 6 months you can get an entry-level career. Okay, so if you're visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. It's a brand new YouTube channel. I just started a few days ago. Okay, no subscription yet, no problem. Okay, let's start. We are discussing on HTML, one of the big trees in computer programming. Okay, so let me show you from the very beginning how we can go to our project, how we can navigate to our project. Okay, I'm on my root folder, just cd. Okay, let me make it a little bigger so that everyone can see. Cd desktop, and in the last class we have created a project, and name of the project is career underscore development, right? Okay, press enter, and now we are inside career development, and we can check with ls what do we have inside. We have just a file, and name of the file is index.html. Then just type code and dot, press enter. It will open our project. Here is our project explorer. We call it project explorer, and this is canvas where we can write our codes. Okay, now let's create uh, another paragraph dot html, another new file. Okay, and it is on html also. Now you can create file just clicking here, new file, and there is an icon, new file, and another icon, new folder. Okay, if you want to create new folder, just click outside anywhere, then click on new folder. Say for example you want to create css folder. Okay, now you want to create a file inside css folder, then you have to click here when this icon shows it is to down. Okay, you see, to the right and down, then click on this icon, new file, and you can say style.css. Okay, .css means this file is creating for styling for css file. Okay, and I want to create another folder, so I just click somewhere outside, then click, and I say assets folder, and in assets folder we put or keep assets like photos, logos, etc. Okay, and I want to create another folder. This is JavaScript. I can create from here also. I just click on terminal, then new terminal, and we can see we are inside career development. PWD means print working directory, means current directory, and we can see where we are exactly in. We are in career underscore development in this folder. Okay, and we know how to create folder. Mkdir is the command, and I want to create JavaScript folder. The name of the folder is JS, and we can see JS folder is right there. And to create another file here inside it, inside JS, what we can do, we have to first go to JS folder. Now we are inside JS folder. Okay, and can say touch means create a new file. We are going to create a new file inside JS. Okay, and touch space, name of the file is app.js. .js means JavaScript. It will be JavaScript file. And now we can see we have app.js inside JS folder. Thus, we can create our files and folders from terminal as well as from our project explorer, directly clicking on project icon, folder icon, and new file icon as well. Okay, now uh, we can also create directly from our Git version control from here, but rather keep going back and forth, it's better to open our terminal from here. Okay, hover over your mouse and click on terminal, new terminal, and we can open our terminal from VS Code. Okay, now we are working with HTML, the paragraph. Today we are going to learn paragraph. And in the last class, I showed you how to open HTML. Okay, we just type HTML5 and press enter, and HTML template or boilerplate, it is called boilerplate also, will be auto completed. And not only this way, you can even just type shift exclamation sign when you see triple exclamation sign and single exclamation sign. Choose single exclamation sign, then press enter, and it will also bring boilerplate. Okay, and in the last class we learned how to write our the biggest headline HTML tag, h1 tag or h1 elements. Remember, I'm saying element and tag both are same. Okay, h1 tag, and I can say welcome engineers. Okay, and I can say h3 as we need. According to our needs, we can choose which headline we are going to pick up. It can be h1, h2, h3, but remember, don't use more than once, especially h1 head tag in a page. Okay, then you can keep using 2, 3, 4, 5 whenever you need them, but on a page just use once a h1 tag or h1 elements. Okay, then I say today's topic is HTML5 paragraph paragraph elements or tags elements. All right, and p tag, save it, and just right button click open with live server, and welcome engineers. Topic HTML5 dash paragraph elements, and we are now going to use how we can use paragraph tag or paragraph elements. Now just type P, okay, press enter, and just type lorem, and how many words you want to bring from lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is dummy text. Software developers, web developers, or software engineers, they sometimes can't find articles or content ready. And in that situation, what they do, they fill the web pages with dummy text, and the dummy text is called lorem ipsum. And I just press enter when you see lorem 200 pop up. That means it's ready. And just press enter, and you see there is a 200 p tag, paragraph tag inside p tag. You see 200 tags. Now whenever we use p tag, remember p tag again, if I use another p tag and lorem 100, okay, and just check your page, web page, another tag, it always takes its own place, which means paragraph tag is block level elements. It creates another block. It doesn't stay side by side. If even if I put p tag here, lorem 50, okay, and I put another p tag here, p tag lorem 50, I put side by side and check, it takes another block. It doesn't stays or keep continuing from here, okay. Thus now I need, say for example, another heading, maybe 3 why is HTML5, say for example, and we take another p tag lorem 100, say for example, and we can see HTML h1 tag 3, and this is also 3, okay. Thus we can keep going on, okay. So now paragraph, p tag stands for paragraph, and how we can create paragraphs with p tag one after another, however, whenever, whatever we need, okay. Now let me repeat what we have learned so far. Today we learn, let me repeat also previous class. Always remember doc type, angle bracket, exclamation sign, doc type, HTML, angle bracket, close angle bracket, is declaration to any web browser. It can be Safari, it can be Firefox, it can be Chrome browser. We are telling to the browser, hey browser, whatever I'm going to write now is HTML5, the latest HTML. And HTML tag, opening tag and closing tag is here. And whatever inside HTML tag, whatever we write, they are child elements. Okay, so each tag, head tag and body tag are siblings, as they are child element to HTML. And metadata are the brain of our application or website or the page that we keep inside the head. It will not be visible to the users except the title on the top. We can say paragraph tags. Okay, and inside the body, whatever we write, the elements inside the elements or tags, the contents, we call them contents, article, whatever. Contents, that doesn't mean only article. Contents means article as well as picture, photos, audios, videos. These are contents. Okay, so paragraph tag, h1 tag, h3, whatever we are using inside body, these are also the child element to body, and these child elements are grandchild to HTML. These are the relationship. Okay, so remember, the whole template is called boilerplates. Boilerplates. Okay, or you can say HTML templates. Okay, so that's all for today. Pretty much practice at least 3 to 5 times, and in the next class we will also learn how we can start styling, how we can make it a little beautiful, attractive, colorful. Okay, and we will learn step by step. At the end of this month we will at least learn how to create simple websites. Okay, and within 3 to 4 months we will become experts, and you can expect to be a junior web developer or HTML developer, and start working from anywhere in the world completely online. If you don't want to go to office, you can start freelancing. Okay, so don't worry, we will learn each and everything very soon. And remember, each of the main topic of the lecture are provided inside under the video, and always try to read them. Okay, I leave some information. Okay, and please be note, this is associated with some like Amazon, eBay, and some links are here. When you click somewhere in the link and buy something from here, I receive some commissions. Okay, well, that's all for today. Wish you good luck. Every day I will be creating 20 to 30 minutes video, and always try to practice at least 30 to 60 minutes every single day, and at the end of the month you will become um, a web developer. Okay, and at the end of 3-4 months you will become expert. That I can promise. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. And those who are for the first time visiting this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe or make beautiful comments or press like button or dislike button. Uh, it will help me to improve my sessions or classes. Okay, remember this career development YouTube channel is only for them who want to develop their career in IT field, especially as a web designer, web developer, web automation engineer, Selenium with Python, software developer, okay, in IT related field. Remember, you cannot master any programming bells. You can just keep learning and improving, because IT is keep changing, information technology is keep changing every single day, and if you want to keep you updated, you have to you have to update yourself. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.